How to uninstall and reinstall Lyft app. If the Lyft app keeps crashing or misbehaving, reinstalling it can help reset everything. To uninstall, press and hold the Lyft app icon on your home screen. Then tap uninstall or drag it to the trash. Next, go to your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here at the search bar, type in Lyft and search for it. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the install button. Tap install. Once it's reinstalled, open the app and log back in with your email or phone number. Doing this clears hidden bugs, resets app permissions, and often fixes major glitches. After reinstalling, double check that you have allowed the app location access for accurate pickups. Have you reinstalled an app before to fix a problem? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And that's how you can uninstall and reinstall Lyft app. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.